In this video, I'll be showing you a free cryptocurrency mining site where you can mine cryptocurrency for totally free. This means you don't have to deposit before you earn, you don't have to refer before you earn. Even if you don't have a data connection, your phone is off or you are sleeping, you can still earn from this website. So this website is 100% legitimate, it's tested and confirmed. But I'd advise you to go out there, make your own research before investing in this website. Yeah, disclaimer, that's a disclaimer. And the name of this website is called airdrop. The link will be dropped at the description menu below. Make sure you use the link at the description menu below, because if you use the link at the description menu below, you'll be getting some bonus using that link. And if you look at your screen there, you can see where it says get $5 bonus. And the only way you can get this bonus is when you use the link at the description menu. Use the link at the description menu, you get your $5 sign up bonus. And this bonus, you'll be using this bonus to register to start mining on this site. And if you look down, you can see how much they have invested in this website. You can also see how much they have paid. You can also see the total number of people that have joined this site. So if you scroll a little bit, you can see some more viral information here. Okay, they say services that we continue to improve. So if you are super pumped about the video, do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on that bell notification icon to always get notified whenever a viral video like this is up. And don't forget, guys, in this very video, I'll be choosing one winner to give 5 TRX. What you have to do, you just have to tell me how many times the subscription button pop on the screen and comment down below I have subscribed. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below I have subscribed. Make sure you like this video to break that YouTube algorithm. And let's get into the video. So once you sign up on this site, I advise you to scroll a little bit, get some more info for yourself. You can see security and privacy, fast payout. Yeah, this website is, like I said previously, it's 100% legitimate and their payout is fast. Yeah, so you also get their great services. And I advise you, once you sign up, you check their fact. What I mean by fact there is a frequent asked question. You get any question you need, if you need more clarification. And also, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see so many info. So let's dive into today's video. You just have to click on get $5 bonus. Just have to click on that. Once you click on that, you just have to input your username, your email address, your password, and confirm your password. Make sure you use a strong password that you can remember, guys. After that, click on I'm not a robot. The option there, I'm not a robot. Click on it to verify you are a human. After that, you just have to click on register. So I already have an account with this website, and I've been mining cryptocurrency for some times now. So I'll just go ahead and log into my account, because this website doesn't accept multiple accounts. So what I'll do now, just head over to the site bar, click on login, and log into my account real quick to show you guys how everything really works in this website. Yeah, guys, I just have to click on login and wait for it to boot. So once you click on login, it will take you here. Okay, you just have to input your username or email and password. The browser already have mine saved. After that, click on I'm not a robot to verify you are a human. Then click on sign in. Okay, click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it will take you to your home page. Boom, guys, as you can see, here is our home page, and we have three mining power here. Okay, we have three mining power here. The Etash, we have the script, we have the SHA. Okay, so in this very video, I'll be walking you through on how everything really works here, and also I'll be taking you to the free part of the video where you start earning for totally free. You don't have to pay a dime or refer somebody before you start earning on this website. So if you click on Etash, on the Etash section, you can see you can mine Ethereum and Ripple. So these are the only two cryptocurrency you can mine in this very section. So let's proceed to script. Let's check out the kind of cryptocurrency these people have on the script. So once you click on script, you can see we have Litecoin, Stellar, Dogecoin. Okay, these are the coin you can mine here. And this Etash and script, these ones you need to buy hash thread. You need to buy hash thread. So now we'll be moving to the free one, now. So this is a free one where you start making some decent amount of money. You can mine a Bitcoin for free. You can mine a TRX for free. You can mine Bitcoin Cash for free. So guys, if you scroll and click on the free mining power, just click on the free mining power. You see you can mine. Okay, here is my available hash rate. Okay, I'm using it 100%. Yeah, I'm using it 100%. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that we can mine Bitcoin. You can mine Bitcoin Cash. Okay, you can also mine Dash and TRX, guys. So for the purpose of this video, I'm mining TRX, but you can also mine Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrency. Me, I just feel like mining TRX because TRX, though it's popular, but the price is very low. So you can decide to go for BTC. Yeah, we all know that BTC is the highest cryptocurrency. So if you want to mine any other crypto, you can also mine the three cryptocurrency as well. Just have to drag and drop, adjust your mining power. So you just have to shift it. So you can, if you look there, I'm mining TRX 100% for fast mining. As you can see on your screen, I already have 11.3 TRX that I've mined from this site, and it's available for withdrawal. If you look down there, you can see available for withdrawal. So also, if you scroll a little bit up, you can see that I've been able to, okay, I started mining Bitcoin. So I now decided to mine TRX, yeah, Tron to USD. Okay, see, I started mining Bitcoin. So within a second, I just switched to TRX. I just turned everything to 100%, start mining TRX. So guys, so far so good. I've been able to mine up to 11 TRX from this site. Yeah, if you're super happy about this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, comment down below I have subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up like I previously said. Okay, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The link will be dropped at the description menu. Our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group. Once you join, what you have to do there, you just have to comment your TRX wallet address. Once you comment your TRX wallet address, I'll distribute the TRX after choosing my winner of today's video. Now we go to the sidebar. They have so many beautiful stuff there. We have, yeah, so many beautiful stuff. So I'll be walking you guys through how everything really works. Yeah, okay, first of all, let's go to deposit. Now we are in the deposit. You can see you can deposit any cryptocurrency of your choice, but deposit is optional. I will not advise you to start with deposit. You can start with a free mining power first. Once you start with the free mining power, you cash out. You can now deposit to boost your mining speed, so you can withdraw ASAP. All right, guys, you see, if you want to deposit, you just have to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Yeah, you can also deposit through TRX, any cryptocurrency. Yeah, you can also deposit through PS, sorry, Perfect Money. Yeah, PM. You can also deposit through Perfect Money. So you see there, I have a total balance of TRX of 11.3 TRX, and there's a short note there. Send any amount of TRX to the address, and the money will be credited to your account. So you can deposit any amount of TRX, any amount at all. You get, even if you are total beginners in the online space, you can mine cryptocurrency for totally free here. Free. You see, I myself, I'm using the free mining power. I haven't deposited any amount of cryptocurrency from this site, and I've been able to mine 11.3 TRX from this side. This side is 100% legitimate. Yeah. And should, in case you want to deposit, I'm not telling you not to deposit. Yeah, I'm not your financial advisor or whatever. Should, in case you want to deposit, go for your own research before you deposit. If you are cool with it, yeah, you want to deposit. Yeah, so if you want to deposit through Perfect Money, you just have to input the amount and click on deposit. It will take you to a page where you have to deposit through Perfect Money, where you can log in through your Perfect Money account. So it's pretty cool. Deposit and withdraw is very easy from this site. So Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is cash out. Now guys, you want to cash out. If you are cashing out from this side, just have to click on cash out. Once you click on cash out, you just have to scroll to the cryptocurrency you have available in your wallet here. Okay, I have TRX available here because I've been mining TRX. Okay, you just have to click on it. Since I have TRX, I'll be clicking on TRX as Tron. Yeah, I just have to click on TRX. Once you click on TRX, it will ask you to put the amount you want to withdraw, and boom, your address. Click on withdraw. So that's it. Very easy and pretty cool. You just have to withdraw your money anytime you like, 24 hours in 7 days. So that's it, guys. Let's proceed. Okay, if you click on the referral option, you can see I have 0 referral. Like, you can make money from this site with or without referral. If you look here, you can see that I have 0 referral. Yeah, my level 1 and my level 2 0 referral, and I've been able to mine up to 11.3 TRX. If you are super pumped about this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon to always get notification by YouTube whenever a viral video like this is dropped, guys. So if you want to copy your link, you just have to click on copy. You click on copy, you get your link, and share it to your friends and family. Yeah, guys, you can share it to your friends and family, and you get some decent amount of commission once anybody uses your link. Okay, the next one, we have the history, your withdrawal and deposit, all those kind of stuff, your security, where you can change your password. Yeah, your security, your password, and email, and some other beautiful stuff. So guys, as you can see here, I'll advise you to scroll down below. If you scroll down below, you can see some beautiful stuff like about. You want to know about the platform. You can also see marketing and pricing. You can also see calculator, referral, their fact, contact us. So if you have any issue, you can contact them, or you want to ask any. But if you want to ask any question, your question are already answered in this section. The frequent asked question. Now guys, I'll advise you not to create multiple accounts here, because this website will know your internet protocol address. What do I mean by internet protocol? Yeah, I'm sorry for abusing your intelligence if you already know this, but I just mean your IP address. Yeah, this site already knows your IP address as soon as you register with them. Yeah, so once you create 2 accounts, they will ban your account. So you just need 1 account, guys, just 1 account. So if you scroll here, if you scroll up, okay, if you scroll down, you can see your questions has been answered already. Yeah, guys, you don't need to stress yourself. You can just comment anything you want to know about withdrawal, deposit, how to mine, how to refer, and some other beautiful stuff. Yeah, the questions are already answered here, guys. So what you have to do, just come to their frequent asked question. That's the fact. Scroll down, you see it, click on it. To take you here, you just have to click on any question you want them to answer. Here, guys. So that's it for today's video. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much if you made it up to this section. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn that bell notification icon to always get notified by YouTube.